Now let's talk about keylines. Keylines is not so much about storing water, it's more about the water dynamic when it's raining. What is the behavior of the rain, of the water which is falling on the soil. If you have a shape like this, it's not exactly round, you can see it like that, it's a bit oblong like that. What will happen when the rain is coming here, it will choose the shorter way down, meaning the water will not go that direction. Most of the water will go that direction because it's the most sharp direction, with the most the slope, the sharper slope will go there. Okay, so let's see that most of the water, you can see, very little will go on that direction. Everything will go here or here. It will go either this side or this side. And if you have a lot of water, a lot of rain, what will happen is that even if you do a swell, a lot of water will have an effect so that the water will go over the swell because it's full, and will go there and will not go there because it's too quick. The dynamic of the flow make the water go that direction. So the idea of the key line is not to make a swell which is horizontal to some level, but to give more like a kind of direction, so it will go more down when it goes to that sharper part of the hill. So when the water goes down like this, dynamically part of the water will go over and part will go on that direction and will hydrate this part of the hill, which otherwise would be keeping dry because the water will go mostly on that direction. So usually key lines are not as big as swell, are more like small trench, so that dynamically there is a distribution of water on the part of the hill which are usually avoided by the flow of water in this direction. If you look at it, the water will go that direction, and because the key line is going down like that, a bit down, some of the water will follow this direction, following the slope down, and rehydrate that part of the hill. Okay, which when it's raining, naturally is not hydrated. That's mainly the difference between keyline and swell. In this example, we have an even more speaking example of how the flow of water is going through. When rain will fall here, rain will not go there on the branch of the hills like this. What water will do? Water will directly go there, and the shortest way to down, okay, and will increase erosion there. So the question is, for example, if you are in a country with very little rainfall, for example, for 1 month, 2 months per year, and you want to reforest, I'm not sure that key lines, this idea of rehydrating that there, is the best solution. Because if you have only 2 months of rain, what you want to do, you want to focus where the humidity stands. Meaning, you want to focus here. Because you know that here you will have the most humidity, because all water will be there. And then maybe start to reforest on that areas here, and start to stretch vegetation, starting from that area. Because you are more insurance that reforestation will take place, and then you can stretch. And over time, of course, you can help this situation with a swell to keep the water here more, and to stop the water so it doesn't go down, stay well there, so to help this vegetation here. And then after, you can start to go on the branches of the hill here and here.